Alright, this is how I'm keeping my lithium batteries for the solar system going. I'm using this Vatrer lithium battery, and it's got the built-in heating element. And then I'm running the Chinese diesel heater off of that, which it'll run, it holds about a gallon of diesel, and it will run for about 8 hours. And then I've just got the heat vent pointed in here to the battery stack. And that is what's keeping these LiFePO4 batteries. I'm going to get them back warm again. And that is the downfall to trying to run this stuff in below freezing temperatures. So, simple setup, but the diesel heater works great. And that Vatrer battery, with it having the heating element in it, is able to keep things going. So, alright, that's it. Alright, we're going to go out here to the solar shed or shipping container where I've got the diesel heater running. This will just be a little bit of an update. I did just check the battery. I've been running for right at 24 hours now off of this Vatrer 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. That's the one with the heating element in it. And I'm at 63% charge. So we're going to go in here, check this out. The diesel heater is running on low. All right. And I filled this up at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can see right there, so I had it full at 2 o'clock. Now we're down to there. This is only like a 1 gallon gas or a diesel tank on this thing. Maybe it's a little bit more, but it ain't much. I'm going to say that I could fill that back up with a quart of diesel. So from 2 o'clock to midnight is 10 hours. So we're at about a quarter diesel in 10 hours on the lowest setting. The battery is sitting here. It is lithium. This is the Vatrer LM12100. So 12 volt, 100 amp hour. Okay. They did send me this to do testing, and I'm loving this battery because I don't have to worry about it being too cold. And I can check it with the app and see where we're at. This is their low temperature charging self-heating battery. Anyways, we're at 63%. We're just over 24 hours of run time. Diesel heater's on low, okay? It's 39 degrees here inside the shipping container. It is 22 degrees outside. This is a 20-foot shipping container. It's uninsulated. In here in my battery stack, all I have is the exhaust pipe blowing in here to the battery stack. I've got foam on the outside, and we are showing 57 degrees in the battery stack. All I'm trying to do is keep these batteries from getting too cold to where they can't operate. So they're all charged up 100%. I'm trying to keep all this operational because we're about to get a snowstorm, and I want to make sure that if I flip over to battery backup because we've lost power, that I have it there to use. So it was a good sunny day today, and we were able to get all those topped off as well as run what we were trying to run. Anyways, low setting, 63% after 24 hours of runtime, and the first 12 hours of that was on high, and I used like 30% of the battery at that time. 39 degrees inside the shipping container, 22 degrees outside the shipping container. It's a 20-foot container, uninsulated, and we're up to 58 degrees on the battery stack. So I do not have to worry about this tonight. It's going to be good to go. And just wanted to give you a little update to tie in with the other video. All right, folks, if you got any questions, drop them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you next time. Mountain Wizard out. See ya.